install some fire mounting halos, some rock lights, just some things I got off Amazon. Not in the shed today, obviously. Out in my cousin's garage, just because it's a lot warmer. It's a chilly day out there, so I want adhesives and all that to stick, and it's just nicer on the fingers. Start pulling some plastics on this thing. I don't think I'll do a step-by-step or anything like that, because those are annoying. There's enough of those around, so maybe I'll show you a few things along the way, or maybe I'll just show you the finished product. But yeah, today we're gonna get the halos on, the rock lights on, light this baby up. Doesn't seem to be a ton of places to attach these rock lights other than screwing right in the plastic, so I decided to get rid of a reflector, that one, and just bend the bracket up. Should do the trick. But again, this is not a how-to video, it's another how I did it video. I wish I would have put the headlight back in before I put the adhesive on these, because I think when I put it in I just bumped it enough to knock it off. So put a little more adhesive on there and tape it up better, get it to set up better. But other than that, I think they look pretty good. Just got to settle on a color there. Yeah, should look all good in the dark. Clean the wires up a little bit, get her back together, roll out. Gonna look pretty good. Still plenty bright in here. Oh yeah, it's gonna look sharp. Beauty. Let's get her back together. Man, there are not many places to hide wires and boxes around here on one of these Can-Ams. If you want to just do rock lights or just do halos, it's not too bad. But to do both, it's a mess. But she's going back together now, so I'm gonna shut up and show you the finished product. There she is, man. And the orange looks kind of red or pink or something on the video, but I guarantee you it's orange. It's weird. I think it's just the way the camera's adjusting to the lights. But anyway, all in all, the install went pretty good. I showed you where the halos didn't really stick. I think that was mostly my fault. I still got to get some adhesive on there to put it on a little better, but whatever SC1 or whatever they used at the dealer, I don't think I cleaned off good enough. Normally you'd want to clean it with some alcohol or something, but where it was a new machine and no mud or anything on it, I kind of got a little slack with the cleaning. So just make sure you clean it with alcohol before you put your JB Weld or whatever adhesive comes with your halos. But yeah, rock lights and the halos together, she lights up nice. What a beaut.